Mortals, heed my words. Today we shall delve into the depths of confidence, a virtue that has shaped my very existence. As the god of war, I have traversed treacherous realms, battled formidable adversaries, and triumphed against insurmountable odds. Now I share with you my profound wisdom to forge unyielding confidence within your mortal souls. 1. Embrace your true self. Embrace the essence of your being, mortal. Accept both your strengths and weaknesses, for they define the warrior within. Embracing your true self empowers you to harness the full extent of your potential. 2. Set ambitious goals. Set your gaze upon ambitious goals, for it is through challenges that true greatness is forged. Start with humble victories and steadily ascend towards greater triumphs. Each conquest shall kindle the flames of confidence within you. 3. Nurture your inner strength. Nurture your inner strength as one nurtures a flame. Engage in physical training, meditate upon your purpose, and surround yourself with those who inspire you. Strengthen your mind, body, and spirit, for they shall fortify your confidence in the face of adversity. 4. Harness the power of affirmations. Let the power of affirmations resonate within you, mortal. Speak words of conviction and declare your indomitable spirit. I am a warrior, I am relentless, and I am capable of overcoming any obstacle shall imbue you with unwavering confidence. 5. Venture beyond your comfort zone. Growth dwells beyond the confines of comfort. Dare to tread upon unfamiliar ground, confront your deepest fears, and embrace the unknown. Just as I traversed uncharted realms, your bold steps shall forge unbreakable confidence. 6. Exude the aura of a champion. Stand tall, mortal, and embody the aura of a champion. Radiate strength, make unwavering eye contact, and let your presence command respect. Through your demeanor, you shall project the unwavering confidence of a true warrior. 7. Celebrate your triumphs. Celebrate your victories, no matter how humble. Acknowledge your triumphs, honor your accomplishments, and relish in the growth you have attained. Each milestone shall fuel the fires of confidence within you. 8. Surround yourself with valiant companions. Choose your companions wisely, for their spirits shall either uplift or hinder your journey. Seek the counsel and camaraderie of valiant souls who believe in your path. Their unwavering support shall nourish your confidence and inspire you to new heights. 9. Seek wisdom and knowledge. Knowledge is a weapon as formidable as any blade. Seek wisdom in the annals of history, philosophy, and combat. Expand your mind through reading, listening, and learning. The wellspring of knowledge shall empower you with unshakable confidence. 10. Train, fight, and master your craft. The path to true confidence lies in the crucible of training. Hone your skills through relentless practice and unyielding determination. As I forged my prowess in battle, so too shall you become a warrior of unwavering confidence. Mortals, these wisdoms shall guide you on the path to unyielding confidence. Embrace them with unwavering conviction, for confidence is the catalyst that shapes destinies. From the depths of your mortal essence, let the flames of confidence rise and conquer all that stands in your way.